All right, we're gonna do a lesson reverse driving. Welcome to Cmsc Auto School. I put it in reverse, and all I have to do is hold this wheel straight, and the car will go straight. I put my arm behind the seat. I turn. I'm looking 90% out the rear window and 10% in the side view. And here I go. I'm keeping it within 12 inches of the curb without hitting the curb. And usually they say right around here, about 50 feet, you can stop. Great. Now, that's usually when the examiner shakes my hand and says, "Congratulations, you've passed the road test. You now have a license at 5 p.m. Thank you very much.